So guys, here is the list of must-have apps of 2019 for your smartphone. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So the first app in the list is your R. These apps tell you how much time you are spending on your smartphone and on a particular app. It comes with tons of features, and the one I like the most is setting custom timers for different apps so that you cannot be keep scrolling on social media all the time. Moreover, you can snooze notifications of different apps so they don't interfere while you are working. This app is must have for the students and for the people who want to be more productive. Personally, it helps me to lower my smartphone addiction to great extent. So must give it a try. Coming to the next app, this app is must for the users who upload photos on social media very frequently. This is a Shapical X, a unique photo editing app which can give you a boring photo entirely an aesthetic look. The app comes with a lots of different kinds of shape which you can add to your photos, but always make sure you choose the right kind of shape which can blend with your photo. Additionally, there are different styles available like neon, gradient and pattern you can choose from. This app is available free on Play Store, but still it has a pro version which I do not recommend as the free version have all the feature which is required by a normal user. Coming to the app features, you can customize the shapes also like changing its saturation level, setting opacity and lots of similar stuff. One of the best feature is its eraser tool. You can choose the brush size and zoom in to perfectly blend the shape with your photo. So one thing I say is you must try this app once and give your creativity the wings. Here is the third app which is my personal favorite from this list. This app is pretty simple like wallpaper, but still it just looks dope on your smartphone home screen. Like for me, finding a new good wallpapers is always been a hefty task, but after I found this, I never have to worry about new wallpapers, as this live wallpaper blend with my every home screen setup. It just gives an mesmerizing 3D experience which keeps on grabbing attention. However, this wallpaper will take some battery from your smartphone, so you make sure you use it wisely. Next app is a crook catcher. This app is pretty cool and you may have heard about this already. The function of this app is pretty simple. What it does, if any day somehow your smartphone gets stolen by somebody, and whenever he or she tries to open up your phone by entering a wrong pin or pattern, the app will automatically click the picture of the culprit and also trace its exact location, which will be later on sent to your email address. You can set it up easily the app, but it just requires some permissions and you are good to go. So must install this app on your phone before somebody gets hands on it. So the last app in the list is Intra. This app is very essential for every smartphone according to me. What it does is saving you from the DNS attacks and other malwares. Also, it helps you visit the website which may be blocked by a government in a particular region or in a country. Adding more to this, it will also save you from the phishing links and unwanted redirection whenever you visit a particular website or just surfing the apps. So must install this app on your phone